Okay, before we proceed, let's have a knowledge check. Competency, the comparison of an employee's performance against a standard, is the act of becoming proficient. Is that true or false? The answer, it's true. So let's review 5.1.6, competence assessment. And I quote here the first few portion of that section, and we will discuss the rest of the section of 5.1.6 on the later part of this activity. So 5.1.6, following appropriate training, the laboratory shall assess the competence of each person to perform assigned managerial or technical tasks according to the established criteria. Now, let me emphasize here that the competence is done after or following the training, and that it covers both managerial and technical tasks. Now, reassessment shall take place at regular intervals, and retraining shall occur if and when it is necessary. So competence, you have your actual performance against a performance standard. Now, let's put this knowledge into practice. By participating in this activity, competency assessment desk review. So what is a desk review? So desk review of the sites, meaning the laboratory's documentation. So the desk review evaluates the management's establishment of its quality planning by studying the approved documents. And these are the documents that had been communicated and made available to the staff who perform the work. Now, it compares, the desk review, it compares the laboratory's documents, especially the policies, to the requirements. In this case, if you're using the requirement of 15189. So the laboratory's policies must demonstrate the management's intent towards compliance with the external standards adopted by the management of the laboratory. Now, the desk review does not assess the implementation part, since the actual observation of the laboratory practices is performed here at the on-site field work review. That's on the implementation and the maintenance side. So we will only be doing the desk review part. All right, the purpose of this activity: competency assessment is important in assuring the quality of the laboratory output. Participants will perform a desk review of the medical laboratory's competency evaluation policy for the examination phase. Now, let me re-emphasize that. You will be doing a desk review of the competency evaluation policy of the examination phase. All right. So what will you need? Worksheet, competency desk review, then the quality manual and SOPs of your standard operating procedures of your laboratory. Now, what if you don't have a quality manual or SOPs on competency evaluation? Well, you can still participate in this activity, but you need to use handout competency evaluation procedure. Please use this one. By the way, if you have a quality manual and SOP, please do not use the option. Okay? So what will you do? You review your laboratory's competency policy for examination phase. All right? Now, if you don't have a policy yourself for your laboratory, then use the handout. Is that clear? Then complete the worksheet. Submit completed worksheet and be ready to present as well as participate in our discussion during the live session. Have fun, everyone.